Hello everyone, welcome to the School of Smart Thinking. Today's topic is photosynthesis. This is very useful for all kinds of children from class 1 to class 9. So understanding the topic photosynthesis is very useful for the school children. So what is photosynthesis? Actually, what do you mean by photosynthesis? Photo means light. Understanding the topic, photo is light. Synthesis means preparing. So, in the presence of light, preparing the food is called the photosynthesis. Understood? Photo means light. Synthesis means preparing or making. So, in the presence of light, it is preparing its food. Who is preparing the food? Here, the plant is preparing the food. Plant is also a living thing. So, plant is also preparing its own food for its survival. So, we need to understand it better. Understood? So, how does the plant prepare food? What all is necessary for the plant to prepare its food? So here I will mention it. So this is a plant. So to for the plant to survive, some things are necessary. What are the things the plant is using to make its food? They are it is in the presence of sunlight. This is a sunlight. So sunlight is very essential for the preparation of food for the plant. So in the presence of sunlight, so carbon dioxide is also used by the plant, and water is also very essential part for the plant. So in the presence of sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, plant is preparing its food. So it is very useful. Otherwise, if without the sunlight and the carbon dioxide and water, plant will not be able to prepare its food. So these are the things plant is utilizing and preparing its food. The preparation of its food for its survival, that is what the photosynthesis. So once it's prepare its food, it can produce the oxygen, which is very useful for the survival of the human beings. So for the survival of human beings, we need the oxygen. Good oxygen is very helpful for our survival. So human beings breathe oxygen and these plants take in carbon dioxide. So once the plant is preparing its food, the plant growth is also will be very good. So this is also very important. Plant growth should always be there. So these are the things which are produced by the plants. So we need to plant the trees. So it is helping the environment because plant is providing us oxygen. So please everybody plant the trees so that it will be very useful for our future generation. This is the topic of photosynthesis. Hope all the children will like it. Thank you and subscribe it.